Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a coming up cultural walk traditional show which will be in Harihara Kala Bhavan, Secunderabad, Hyderabad. So those interested can register. The last date is 30th and you can take a screenshot and you have all the details and you can call me. The artists who do freehand fabric painting or those who do canvas painting can also take part in it, as canvas is same like cloth, and here you can paint on traditional wear of India. You can wear different styles of our Indian traditional garments and paint anything on the dress, dhoti kurta or saree, and you can do the cultural walk. This show is on 17th February and the registrations will close by this month and January 30th. So hurry up and join this show and show your talent. Thank you. Bye bye.